So if you don't mind, my friend bartender, pour me one more. Make it quick and make it strong. Buddy, my last drink, yeah, ain't the only thing that's gone. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play another Morgan Wallen song from the Dangerous album. It's one of my favorite songs right now, so it's a great one. This is Only Thing That's Gone by Morgan Wallen and I can't remember the other guy, Chris Stapleton. So this is a very easy song to play. I've seen some different ways to play it online where they kind of overcomplicate it, I think, and maybe they're like right in how it's exactly played. I'm just showing you an easy way to play it for beginners, okay? So you're only going to need a handful of chords for this song. I'm going to show you how you do it for most of it, and I'll show you that there's another chord you can use at the end. But so you're going to start with D. All right. When I play D, I also use my thumb to mute the big E string. Okay. So anyway, what you're going to do, and you don't have to do that, okay, but I think it sounds better if you do. So D, you're going to put your pointer finger on the second fret on the G string. Your middle finger goes on the second fret on the little E string, and then your ring finger, okay, goes on the third fret on the B string. Okay. So that's how it sounds if you play the whole thing. All right, now you're also going to use A. Okay, A, middle finger on the second fret on the D string, ring finger goes on the second fret on the G string, and your pinky goes on the second fret on the B string. Okay, that's A. And then you're also going to use G. I think this G is the easier one to do because you're going to be going with this and D. So you're going to put your pinky on the third fret on the little E string, your ring finger goes on the third fret on the B string, your middle finger goes on the third fret on the big E string, and your pointer finger goes on the second fret on the A string. Okay, that's enough for you to know how to play pretty much almost the entire song. There's a little bit more to it, but that's almost it. So the way you're going to start this song is you're going to do D, and the way that they do it on the album is just like okay, they just do like a single strum, but because they have like drums and stuff, like they have other stuff going on. So you could do that, but really it's like down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Now the way that I think this sounds really good, so you could just play it just D the whole time, okay? And there's a bunch of variations of D that you could do, but the way that will make it super easy for you guys is if you play the bass note, so you're gonna go boom, okay? So you're gonna hit mainly like the A and D, and maybe the G, okay? You're gonna hit those. All right, first, you're gonna go boom, and then hit the higher sounding notes. So you notice that? So you do down, and then wait. So you do the down, that one's on the bass notes, and then you're gonna pluck or strum the higher notes, the little E, the B, and the G, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? So it's just that the strumming pattern overall is just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, okay? So that's how you play it, just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with that D, all right, and just hit the bass. And I would play through this probably like 3 times. Okay, and after the third, you're gonna go into, okay, you're gonna go, she told me where I could go. So on go, you're gonna do it again, all right? You're just playing D for a while, okay? Go, then you do it again, all right? Just stopped in here before I went. So you're just doing D still, okay? And I'll be here until you. Okay, then you're gonna go to G. G is like at the end of you close. You close. All right, so for this you can do the whole one, or you can do the same thing. You can do the bass, and then the lower notes, okay? Or the higher notes. All right, so until you close, or all my money spent. And then you go to D after spent, okay? So you're gonna do spent, or spent. So if you don't mind, my friend. Okay, then friend. My friend is A. Friend, bartender, pour me. And then you notice when I played at the beginning, And you don't have to do this. You could just keep doing, so do what's easy for you. I don't know where your skill level is. Most people I teach are pretty new. So you could just keep doing the down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so if you don't mind, my friend, bartender, pour me one. So you could do that and just keep doing A until you get to 1. So bartender, pour me 1, and then you'll do G. So you can do that, or the way that I did it is, my friend, bartender, pour me one. So I did a slap and stopped it. I think that makes it sound cooler, but you don't have to do that, okay? That's just, I think it sounds better that way. But a lot of guitar is like letting you kind of freelance, like just kind of add your own spice to it, especially acoustically. So I'm gonna let you guys kind of do that. But so the way, and now I'm gonna show you where you play the chords in the chorus, because it's a different chord progression. So you're gonna do, bartender, pour me one. 1 is G, 1. And this time for the chorus, I would just be strumming all the chords, okay? Or all the strings, excuse me. Bartender, pour me one more. Okay? Make it quick and make it strong. Okay, strong is D. So you were playing G, now you're doing G, then D. Strong. Okay? 'Cause buddy, my last drink. Drink is A. Drink, yeah. Okay, yeah is G. Yeah. Ain't the only thing that's gone. Okay, gone or gone, however you want to say it. I'm not from the South, so maybe I shouldn't. But it's gone is going to be D again. And then when you get to this D at the end of the chorus, I would do that same thing you did at the beginning: the bass notes and then high notes. And I would do it like twice, and then just do, here's 100 and some change. Okay, you're just gonna keep doing that. Then you'll go into the last then you do at the end of that you do, and whenever you get time, bartender, pour me one. Okay, so you'll go into it from A, and then you'll play that until you get to that G on 1. All right. Then the bridge is a little bit different. So on the bridge, you're just gonna do, whoa. You're just doing G. All right. D. Okay. And then next you're gonna do A, G, D. Okay. Bartender, pour me one. Okay, and then you just go from D into bartender. So you're doing D the whole time on bartender. Bartender, pour me one. And then on 1 you do G. That's what you always do going into the chorus. One more. Make it quick. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Now, the only time that you need to use a different chord, you don't have to, but I think it sounds a lot better, is at the end when you're doing, and I ain't got nowhere to be. So B is G, and you say, and I'd rather not go home. Okay, home, you're gonna play B minor here. So if you don't know B minor, you're gonna bar, and if you can't bar it, just try, because it'll at least mute the other strings and make it sound better than if you just didn't bar it, okay? So you can bar from the 2nd fret on the A string all the way across, okay? And then what you're gonna do is put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the G string, and your middle finger, okay, goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay? And I'd rather not go home. So that you just play B minor on home, and the rest of it's the same. 'Cause buddy, my last drink. So drink is A. Yeah. Yeah is G. Ain't the only thing that's gone. And then I would do that same thing again, the way you started it. Bass, high. Bass, high. And then just do that. Alright, that's how you can end it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I tried to make that really simple for you guys. Please hit like and subscribe. Songs in center tuning, no capo or anything, so it's really easy to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.